Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a logo in DesignEvo, which is a free cloud-based app with which you can create professionally designed logos. So here I'm on the DesignEvo website. You'll find the link in the description section. Click this button to create a free logo, and it'll bring you to this page where you can choose one of the many pre-made logo templates. You can also use these filters to look for specific categories of logo templates. I'm going to use the search box to look for a yoga logo template, and it'll display all of the yoga logo templates, as you can see. I'm going to choose this one, and in this dialog box, I'll enter my logo name in the first box, a slogan in the second box, and click Get Started. It will load the logo editor where we can customize it. So I'm going to click on this main object, and you'll see this contextual toolbar. I'll choose this Pick a Color button, and from this color palette, I'll choose this purple. Next, I'll click on the other object at the back, and I'll apply the light purple color, like so. And then I'll do the same, that is, change the color for the text boxes in the logo, like so. Next, I'll resize and reposition the two text boxes in the logo. Finally, I'll select all the elements of the logo and then resize the whole logo, like so. In the Background tab in the left side panel, you can add a solid background color or a gradient background. I'll choose this bluish gradient background color. Or you can use this transparent option if you want a transparent background. You can click this preview button to see what the logo looks like on a business card, letterhead, t-shirt, etc. You can save the project to edit later. And finally, you can download the logo. You will need a premium account to download a high-resolution image in PNG or vector format, but you can download a lower resolution logo for free. And here's how the yoga logo came out, with a gradient background. And here's one with a transparent background. And here are a few more logos that I created using DesignEvo. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.